Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy, juicy, and delicious chicken fillet perfect for weight loss, meal prep, or just a quick dinner. Let's get started. Here's what we'll need. 2 skinless chicken breast fillets, 1 tablespoon olive oil or avocado oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, teaspoon black pepper, teaspoon salt, juice of half a lemon, fresh herbs for garnish. First, let's prep the chicken. Pat the fillets dry with a paper towel, this helps them sear nicely. If they're too thick, gently pound them to even thickness, that way they cook evenly. In a small bowl, mix garlic powder, paprika, pepper, and a pinch of salt. Rub this seasoning mix evenly over both sides of the chicken. Drizzle a little olive oil and squeeze some fresh lemon juice to make it extra juicy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, place the chicken fillets in the pan, cook for 4-5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and fully cooked. The internal temperature should reach 75 C or 165 F. Once cooked, remove the chicken and let it rest for 2-3 minutes. This keeps the juices locked in, so it stays tender. Slice your chicken fillet and serve with a fresh salad, steamed veggies, or brown rice. Healthy, tasty, and ready in under 15 minutes. And that's it, your healthy chicken fillet is ready. If you found this recipe helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and share it with a friend who loves easy cooking. See you in the next one.